My Westinghouse oven, WFE916SA, is in safe mode. How can I get it back to normal?
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
It has only been installed since May 16, 916SA.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, everything else is okay.
Hello and thanks for using JA. My name is I have been repairing appliances for over 40 years and I will be assisting you tonight in trying to find out why your appliance is not working. Sometimes, there will be lapses in my replies back to you because of the volume of questions I am answering. But, please be assured that I will be giving you my best effort to help solve your problem. Give me a few minutes to check out the info you have provided. Thanks. Try this. 1. Switch off the appliance using the on/off. 2. Press function and, at the same time, hold until word safe is cleared from the display. The child proof should be disengaged. If there is anything else I can help you with today or just an additional question about your issue, just let me know. I thought I would add that many people think the deposit payment they placed at the sign-up is sent to me after I answer your questions. It is not. Answering your questions is how I make my living, and no rating equals no compensation for my time. I am sure you appreciate my efforts on your behalf, and all I ask is that you take a few moments to accept my answer and rate my efforts with 3 to 5 stars on your screen, so I can close your question and proceed to help others that are waiting. Bonuses are always appreciated, but never required. Thank you so very much again for allowing me to help you out today. Don.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.